Welcome to EduRev.
Now, let's look at a problem on efficiency. Okay? A is 20% more efficient than B. If B can complete a piece of work in 30 days, in how many days can A and B complete the work working together? Now, A is 20% more efficient than B. So that means what? If let's say B does 100 units. Okay, you can take one also, not a problem. I'm just taking 100 for convenience. If B does 100 units, A is 20% more efficient. So A will do 120 units. So if you take it as 1, A will do 1.2, not a problem. So this is the number of units done by them in one day. Okay? If B can complete the piece of work in 30 days, so if B does 100 units in one day, if he works for 30 days, he is going to do 3000 units. But we know he completes the work. So this is your total work. Okay? This is your total work. In how many days can A and B together complete the work? Dekho, A does 120 units, B does 100 units. So together these guys do 220 units in one day. So 3000 units करने को कितना time लगेगा? So that will be 3000 upon 220. These many days. Correct? Now both of them are divisible by 2. So 2 11s are, 2 150s are. So 150 by 11 days will be required. Or you can even convert it. So 11 ones are 11, 40 bacha, 11 threes are 33. I have 7 extra, so your answer becomes 13/7 by 11 days will be required. It says A is 80% more efficient than B. Who is 60% more efficient than C? A takes 40 days less than B to complete the work. A starts the work, works for 25 days, and then B takes over. Then B works for the next 30 days and then C takes over. In how much more time will C complete the remaining work? Okay? Now this is an actual CAT question. The problem here is they have given the percentage values of efficiency with respect to one another. They have not given you the number of units done by them individually. They have not given you the days also, individual days. They're just saying this person works for these many days and then leaves and another person joins. Now, how do we solve this problem? See, the first percentage given is 80%, so which is nothing but 4 by 5. The second percentage given is 60%, which is nothing but 3 by 5. So I would suggest to take a value which is divisible by 5 and 5, which is 25. So if you start with 25 or any multiple of 25, you will not have to tackle any fractional value in your problem. So it will make your problem very, very easy. Now what are they saying? Dekho, A is 80% more efficient than B and B is 60% more efficient than C. So we have three people A, B, C. Suppose if I tell you C does 25 units in a day. Okay? B will do how much? B is 60% more efficient. So what 25 units to karega? Plus 60%, which is 3 by 5 of 25 units bhi karega. So that means he's going to do 40 units. Now if you talk about A is 80% more efficient than B. So A will do 40 units plus it is going to do 80% more of 40 units. So that means it is going to do 72 units. So this is the work done in one day. Now what are they saying? A starts the work, works for 25 days. Okay, before that, A takes 40 days less than B to complete the work. Okay, so suppose if B works for X days, A is going to work for X minus 40 days. Okay, it is going to work for X minus 40 days. But we know these guys complete the same amount of work in the stipulated time. So that means A does 72 units in a day and it works for X minus 40 days. B does 40 units in a day and B has to work for X days. The work done by both of them is the same. Okay, it is the same. So if I simplify this, I will get 72x minus this will be 2880 is equal to 40x. So that means 32x is equal to 2880. तो हमारा x का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 2880 upon 32 which is nothing but 90 days. So that means our B takes 90 days to do a job and A takes 90 minus 40 which is 50 days to do the same job. ठीक है? Now what are they saying? A starts the work, works for 25 days and so. So before that, let us calculate what is the total work. Total work है कितना? So if I talk about B, you can take any one. You can take A also, you can take B also. B does 40 units in a day and B has to work for 90 days. So your total work is going to be 3600 units. ठीक है, your total work is 3600 units. Now let's focus on how much they do every day. So they are saying A starts the work, works for 25 days. Now we know A does 72 units in a day and A has to work for 25 days. So what is the amount of work done? 72 into 25 will give you. So what you can do is 72 ka half. 72 ka half is 36. 36 ka half is 18. So A is going to do 1800 units because 25 hai. So I just took in a way 25%. So 72 ka half, that is 72 ka 50% is 36. Uska half, that is 25% is 18. So it will become 1800. Okay? Now let's talk about B. Now B takes over and works for the next 30 days. Okay? So B works for 30 days. B does 40 units in a day. 40 units. So the total work done is 1200 units. तो 1800 हो गया, 1200 हो गया. So that means 3000 units are done out of a total of 3600. So the remaining work is 600 units. Who is going to do these 600 units? C is going to do these 600 units. ठीक है? We know C does 25 units in a day. So 25 units in one day. So 600 करने को कितना टाइम लगेगा? That will be 600 upon 25, which will be nothing but 25 2s is 50 and you will have 4s is 100. So C can complete the remaining work in 24 days and that is your answer.